everyone and welcome to a new video here on my channel. Today we're going to create a super simple card that can be mass produced. I mean, it's so easy to create this card. It takes less than 5 minutes to create it when you've cut out all of your die cuts. And I think it's really cute. For the time that you're putting on it, it actually looks really nice. And I want to show you how to create it. So what you need to have to create this super easy card is some of Claina Palmer's sentiment stamps. These are 27 sentiment stamps in this collection. Then I am going to cut out 4 pieces of cardstock in... This is from the set Mistletoe and Amaryllis in the Blooming Awesome series. And I'm going to cut out 4 pieces of mistletoe in this gorgeous olive color. I just love this color, it's beautiful. And then I'm going to cut out 10 flowers in white cardstock. And that's just how the flowers look. Very dainty flowers that go together with the mistletoe die. And then I'm going to cut out 2 different pieces of cardstock with this die from the Mix M Dies Christmas. is the finished mistletoe card. I don't think it turned out that bad actually. The only thing I would have changed is the 3 little dots there, because they look, I almost smudged one of them. So that's probably one of the things I would change, but I think it's quite a cute, very simple Christmas card that you can give to some friend or something. Just really sweet and petite. And that was that tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have, be sure to push a little thumbs up and see you in my next video. Bye!